my name is Dana Powell, and I'm one of your integration specialists. myBackpack is a one-stop shop of all the apps, programs, and sites that we typically use here in APS. And today we're going to talk about how to make it a little bit more organized. So let's dive into it. Once you have myBackpack open, one of the first things that you can do is drag and drop your apps into any order that makes sense for you and keeps your homepage organized. Next, you can set your apps to auto launch. So let's say that we use Google Classroom every single day and we want it to open up as soon as we open myBackpack. All you have to do is right-click on the app and click Set to Auto Launch. Now, Google Classroom will open up in a new tab anytime I open myBackpack. The next thing that you can do is set apps to your favorites. So in order to do that, you just right-click an app, choose Add to Favorites, and now you can see that app is added to the bottom bar of myBackpack. This is a great thing, especially for our younger students. If there are apps that you commonly use in class, encourage them to right-click and favorite those apps so that they can quickly access them. In addition to setting favorites, you can also organize your apps by folders. To do so, just right-click anywhere in myBackpack and choose Add a Folder. Give the folder a name, and you can also choose a color, and then just click Create. The folder will appear at the very bottom of myBackpack, and you'll just need to drag it up to the top. To move certain apps into those folders, all you need to do is right-click on an app, choose Add to Folder, and choose the folder you would like it to go into. So I'm going to right-click on some of these common apps that contain important APS information and add them into my APS folder. Another important thing to note is the search bar up in the top right if you quickly want to find an app. So if I'm searching for an app, I can type it in here at the top, quickly find it, and then I can right-click on it and either set it to auto launch, add it to favorites, or add it to a folder. In addition to all of these options, you can also add tags to your apps. So, for example, let's say I want to add a tag for productivity apps, like let's say Office 365. If I right-click, I can add an app tag, click Add Tag, and I'm going to add the tag Productivity. I can go through and add that tag to several different apps. So for instance, I'm going to add this to Teams as well and choose the productivity tag. And now when I go to my search bar, if I'm looking for apps related to productivity, I can just say productivity and all of my productivity apps will appear. Finally, some other things that you can do is if you right-click on your myBackpack and go to Change Background, you have some options when it comes to the theme. And then last but not least, if you click this Edit mode up in the top left, once again, you have some other options such as changing the theme, the app size, the font style, just to customize it to your preferences. Remember that myBackpack adds a creative little touch at the bottom left-hand corner depending on the season that just adds a touch of fun to your myBackpack homepage. I hope this has been helpful. Encourage your students to organize their myBackpack as well to make things a little easier to find and to make apps easier to locate. And thank you for watching.